Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. And so what's going on with Solana here? I'm on the monthly time frame, and I just noticed that there is a problem on the monthly time frame, and that is you have a bearish engulfing candlestick right over here. So you do have 27 more days to close the monthly candlestick. By the way, it's 5 days 9 hours left. So if you start to close like this one, which you're probably going to do that, then in my opinion, it's because of how Bitcoin looks like, and you might potentially go to the downside. Even way more dumps ahead are going to come in. So we did saw Bitcoin dumping to the downside. I did update one video today in the morning, so whenever you're watching this Lana video update, make sure that you're watching Bitcoin update as well along the way. But right now, from wherever we are, whatever we are doing, we do have a small support right over here, and I'm going to show you this support very quickly. It seems like Solana is making a double bottom. What I'm going to do is remove all the drawings right now, and all you did is you came down from here since November, or April. This is the 4 hour time frame, and all you did is you broke out of this resistance, and potentially it's like you came down to retest it. Nearly you didn't really touch it, but you did find support right over here, and potentially you might be putting in a double bottom right there. And if that's the case, that would be a nice good entry right over here with a stop loss down here at 94. So this is like the short term frame that I'm talking about, but the monthly is actually looking very bad. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, the monthly time frames are not really good. They're just weird, really weird. I don't know, I'm not having very good confidence on the monthly anyway. So here we are, and it seems like you already lost this trend, this support level. So this is actually a bad situation unless you don't come up and close and make a quick work to the downside. That would be amazing. But if you start to close below 99, it's really important to cross the $100. Let me just tell you that it's really important. You never lost this support, which is now turning resistance. Do you see that? It's now a resistance, which was a support previously right over here. So even though this looks like a good entry point on the 4 hour time frame, of course this stop loss has to be put in, and that will be a nice good. It's very low risk trade, guys. I think it's like what, a 3% trade of a risk. That I don't mind taking a 3% loss. Just investing in small chunks will be a good idea right now. Personally, I will be doing something like that if it was me. Okay, don't just buy because I'm saying it's good to buy. Do your own researches in this one. So at this moment you are losing some key level of support. I'm going to tell you the golden ratio still is not lost, and I'm still quite surprised right now that you are still respecting. Oh, right now we already lost it though. Yeah, it is lost a little bit. It is at the 98, and this one is at 97. The golden ratio is lost. So there's a possibility that if you're not going to pull back up and Bitcoin is not going to get bullish again, you're going to see this coin actually dropping maybe to the $53. It's really scary, I know, but that's something that can happen even based on how the monthly looks like. It's very dangerous, quite dangerous right now. So that's it for today's Solana video update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.